Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a void check from the TD mobile app. First, open the TD mobile app on your device and go to the home screen. From there, tap on the My Accounts button and select Banking. If your menu looks different, you might need to scroll down to find your accounts. Once you see your accounts, choose the one where your funds will be directly deposited. Next, go to the account details by tapping on the Details tab. From there, select Direct Deposit Info. This will display your bank account information on the screen, including your bank name, transit number, branch number, institution number, and account number. These are the details you may need to provide for direct deposit setups, for example, with your employer on the CRA. If you want a copy for your records or to submit somewhere, you can download the PDF version of the direct deposit form. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and tap Download Form. The PDF will save to your device, which you can open using any PDF reader. Once downloaded, the form will show all your bank account information, which you can use as a void check if required. You can also save this PDF for future reference. After this, you have successfully accessed and saved your direct deposit form from the TD mobile app. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.